Welcome to NASDAQ Future Trade Interface. Simple navigation and user-centric, making the entire trade process easy on the go. On your NASDAQ app homepage and tap on the Future tab. Once in the Future tab, tap on USDT-M option. In the Future Trade Interface, you have complete set of tools needed to make your trading effortless. On top left corner of USDT-M, tap on the coin to select the asset you wish to trade. Here you can adjust leverage for your selected coin, so you can choose the leverage of your choice. For real-time market insights, the candlestick chart here showcases trends and indicators. Next, you have the option to choose between cross-margin mode or isolated margin mode. You can also use the calculator to refine your strategy. Calculate P&L, liquidation, maximum opening, and more with leverage. Now you can choose between opening a long position or a short position. With the long and short positions, you can place market orders, limit orders, and trigger orders. You also have the option to set stop loss and take profit with this check mark. Along with this, you have the order book section with live market trends. Lastly, you can also purchase your future trade insurance from the tab here. While here you can check your open positions, open orders, copy trades, and trade history. And there you have it, a guide to NASDAQ Future Interface. Happy trading!